welcome back to another video, man. Another day with the Monte Carlo. More issues, like I said. Every issue on this car was created by Maaco, so you know, we're just going over it, replacing stuff that, you know, needs to be replaced. Today's video, we're finna replace these headlights and see how much better it looks without these headlights, because these headlights are trash, man. They ruined them. Let me show y'all. If y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, all the overspray, which I'm certain you can. This one doesn't have as bad an overspray as this one. But if you're looking at it, man, that overspray is just insane. Same with this one, overspray. They didn't really overspray that one that bad, but like I said, you can see the difference between there and there, definitely. So we're finna replace them with this set. Got off Amazon. Already got these connectors in there, so don't need those, but are these right there, man. They got the halos with them, so only reason I went with these because I want to see what this halo kind of looks like. I seen it on some other videos on YouTube and some G bodies, so I'm gonna put it in here. They weren't too expensive anyway, so we're gonna take these out, take these four out, and install these and kind of figure out how it all goes together. I know it's got like some kind of power and ground wire set up right there. And it's got like a little Bluetooth module. So focus on that. The Bluetooth module that comes with it. So right now I'm finna get these headlights out and then get them swapped out. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute once I get these swapped out. Figured I'd go ahead and bust these out. But they even painted the damn screws. Look at the trim rings. Hey, these trim rings were brand new and solid black. It's like they even noticed they got overspray on them. If you can see that right there. It's like they tried to paint it with touch-up paint. Like I said, man, new vlog, Surviving Maaco, episode 1. That all. Swap one out. One out. Oversprayed everywhere, man. So we got that one out. Install one new one. See how it looks. And we'll finish installing this joint. Go from there. Oh yeah, Oh yeah, that ain't even bolted all the way in, and that looks 10 times better. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm finna install these other 3, and then we're gonna cut y'all back on once I get these other 3 installed. So that took way longer than I expected, but I got the app downloaded on my phone, which you're supposed to use for these. Got all 4 lights in. Those lights look way better than those right there. Crazy. Another facelift on it. Looks a lot better, but I'm struggling because what I found out is this little app here that you download with these lights, it doesn't seem to like iOS, the version I have, so I gotta update my phone. But I think if I hook this up, I should be able to get them to power up. Right now I just got it going. It's going straight to battery off, power and ground out of the box. So there you go. Y'all can see it, they power up blue. I think blue is like default, I guess, but when I get my phone updated, I should be able to get them switched to red. But yeah, that looks way better to me. We definitely gonna be either red or white when we driving it, because there ain't nothing on this car that's blue. So yeah, they look good. Let me turn the high beams on and see how it looks with the high beams on. Or not the high beams, the low beams, you know what I mean? Looks pretty good, but like I said, we can't use blue because the car don't have blue in it. So yeah, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments about these lights. If y'all put them in y'all's Monte or Cutlass or whatnot. I just seen them, seen a couple cars on YouTube with it, and I thought they looked pretty cool. So grabbed them and tossed them in mine. I said, man, one step at a time, one day at a time with this car. We're piecing it together, man. Just getting it back in order from whole paint debacle, man. As y'all see, it's just, man, it just every day I look at this car, I find something new, and it just keeps getting worse and worse. I mean, look at the paint in the cracks. They didn't clean it up, but you know, like I said, I take full responsibility. I should have went elsewhere, but like I said, been working on the overspray, getting it off the motor. It's coming along. Got most of it off with a little acetone and cotton ball, so we're just gonna keep going, keep trying to get it off. This actually on the header isn't overspray, that's just the paint's burning off, so we're gonna put some ceramic coated ones on there and see if they work better. Yeah, man, another video on the MC. We should be taking it this weekend, dropping it off to get the frame knots so we can actually do that, and pretty soon we'll be putting the coilovers in the rear to kind of get the stance right that I want. You know, I want to squat it a little bit in the back, you know. Once again, I'm a country boy, country shit. So get that squatted down in the back. Everything working out with the G-body, man. Like I said, one day at a time, one problem at a time, and we're gonna piece this together, man. Y'all gonna see it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see y'all again in the next video.